researchers found a way to 3D print concrete that's stronger and more durable. The hunt for more sustainable concrete to replace the climate change driving force of Portland cement has hit a massive leap in progress. This progression comes in the form of a new type of 3D printed concrete that is much stronger, more durable than regular concrete. Additionally, the creation of this concrete comes with much lower carbon emissions, which will help in the bid to lower global temperatures. Attempting to make stronger concrete that could be printed using 3D printer was a big focus of the study conducted by researchers at the University of Virginia. The group wanted to find a way to strengthen, not only make something that was better for the environment, but that could also maintain strength and flexibility when used in 3D construction. The trick they discovered was to create a new type of 3D printing concrete by mixing limestone and calcinated clay cement, LC2, with graphene. One key part of the research was seeing just how effective this new concrete would be at helping reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Some of the researchers involved ran a life cycle assessment, LCA, and found that the concrete has the potential to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by up to 31% when compared to some other non-traditional concrete mixtures, possibly even more if they were to compare it to Portland cement, which is the standard for construction in the world. And this is by BGR on DNYUZ. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.